Samla pule ki iakhun ke Eksam Common University Entrance Test ni CUET NEHU Centre kila habban up Palat kynta menyot hoi ke eksamin jong ke subjek English. Ke National Testing Authority kala bu ke por lai baje ban sedang ke exam jong ke subjek English bala ai por 90% minit ke Samla pule begin pendep. Henry ke NEHU Centre kadang lawan penlong ke exam bala ai baje tat hadu ke por san khatsan baje janmit. Samla pule ki beri bentho ya ke exam haringkat ki kmi ki pa ki belai senran kila sah ka umdum halor ka rukom penyat jong ki bor kmi ya ke exam NEHU Centre ki bela ya lat ya ka por bala bu de ke NTA ki kmi ki pa ba ke Samla pule kila ya lumpat ba ahmat ke center ban pan jing pensyai ya ke jing le jong ki nong penyat ya ke exam ka bala ban kata ya ka lawe jong ki khun ki kti ki jong ki bagi nyok beteng ya ki jing pule lani yo arung college kini ke jing bambat ya ka por kala kata ru ke exam basan baje jong ke general test bedang ap banyot hoi ke exam kat hadu kapor nri baje
ka balai baje hi kimpat sedang pet kini berok khat jong lai baje ma mentali kebasan baje namar kidan association kebasan baje kila apa kena kebasan baje bantho andre tang ke balai baje kimpat sedang hadu mentaru
kumno kin rong namar bagan ni ke san buat bagi bu kim shai bah kedar kim simbo ya ke san buat ke haka jika ke bang ibu ya ke san buat i baret kamlong sip ya ki Tino kita ngil haga bawan kislap ngila ri halaga jongga kali kisong kali ngila bo yukon begin rong bech kata ka ban thoi ke sam kumban kalong kelumar haga tagar kom tang kata nga ajmut ba nang ne sekmat pada ban yaj bech ya ka exam ki khna bapas naga no gendong
khna ki bawan hang ni ngachu isen ai hadu kata namar don ki bawan nado dang step ki ablan hang ni ti kasyar kimyo kajar kimyo ti hadu menta san baje klem yo sha klem yo ja ti ki apang to kynta jingkeli rom dan chue chong kai ti nagaliang jonga achu ai jingmot ya ka sarkar kan bhai shibon kum kini ki jaj exam dalong bala ai ba ja to ka school baki late school he kinom yo man long ro kom ni i janjar ngi ro ngi sitom jingmot ti pha ba lang baki school ka baki ki late ai kin tho hang to kanom janjar hadu kan ne kan.
It's not a case for slackness or unpreparedness on part of NEHU. You may like to cite the reasons for what purpose you are saying that, but I would say that there is no. So you will have to realize the levels that is involved in the exam. NEHU is not the exam organized. It's only we are organizing here. The question paper has to come from NTA. For everything, the clearance has to come from NTA. So for every aspect, we'll have to get back to NTA. And since jammers have been placed in this place, I'm not able to use my phone. I have to go out of this place to call them up. So these are the things. Yes, I can accept one aspect that crowd management could have been better.
What is the main reason for the delay? What is that?
I told you the main reason that the biometric system did not work. I cannot start the exam without biometric system unless I have a clearance from NTA. So I approached NTA subsequently when the biometric system did not work. And they gave the permission to conduct the exam without biometric, and that's how we have gone ahead. There is no other reason.
There was no dispute, admit card numbers, roll numbers, and the roll numbers. Allegation from the students that when they came here, there was no dispute of the roll number. They don't know where to go and where not to go. And there is only single cluster.
So this again, we have asked NTA to give us 3 centers. They have arranged only it as a one center, that is NEHU. Whereas we have in Kendriya Vidyalaya, we have science cluster, we have social science cluster. So we should have been given 3 centers. Accordingly, students could come. That if he's given social science cluster, he will come to this place. If he's given science cluster, he will go to that place. But NEHU was given so, and this is the most is the central building and the most impressive building. So unfortunately, all the students then landed up here. Then they have to be guided to science cluster and other places. Okay, that's it. Thank you.
Isn't that
so ki media but ki paiba bro ki deban tip ki neba kino ki institute ki ba shim ki jit klik ki deban not aware sure ba kan nong bukum ki exam